Hey friends, I am Phantom Basmatari. Now I have come with another new video, and presently I am at Lahuti in the district of Chirang, and Lahuti is a picnic spot. Many people throng here for picnicking, and I am going to show you the beautiful scenario of this place. Here on my background you can see many people dancing. Let me show you. This place is really very beautiful. It is full of natural beauty, but people have almost spoiled this place by trying many non-biodegradable things after their picnic, so it's not a good thing. The management committee of this picnic spot should pay attention in maintaining the cleanliness of this particular place. Otherwise it will no longer be a nice place for future generation. Look here. Lahutiयाव गोबां बैग्रि बिफां नुनो मोननाय जायो आरो दा गोबां बैग्रि फिथाइफोर दङ। नोंथांमोना बेयाव पिकनिक जानो फैयोब्ला खानानैबो जानो हागोन।